Is your childcare center increasingly reliant on government subsidies and funding? With ChildFriendly, simplify billing, collecting, and reconciling third-party payments. In the Family's Ledger, set up all your third-party sponsors for each child, including their expiry dates. This ensures that when contracts expire, billing automatically adjusts to the applicable parent's responsibility. Plus, easily view upcoming expiring contracts on the expiries dashboard for timely renewal reminders. Once third parties are set up, they're invoiced automatically during the billing process. But what about lump sum payments from agencies covering multiple children in your daycare? In the Finance module's Process tab, reconcile payments and link them to form a deposit group. Input the exact amount received for each child. If the received amount doesn't match the invoice, simply click Reconcile and choose who is responsible for the payment difference. ChildFriendly will make the adjustments for you. After reconciling individual payments, create the deposit group to link transactions into one lump sum deposit, matching your bank statement effortlessly. With ChildFriendly, billing and collecting payments from third parties has never been easier.